Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is August the 23rd and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. Now this scalper, this is this blue and yellow moving average. When it changes colors, you'll get an audio sound and a pop-up alert, like right here where it says scalping. And the other buy and sell alerts are from the blue and red arrows. That's the super signal indicator. Love it. Would not trade any system without it. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, especially on the 5-minute time frame. Now I usually do more than one trade at a time because I don't know which one is going to produce. But what I do know is Forex moves a lot less, slower than the indexes and the futures, which move a lot more and pay a lot more, as you can easily see down here in the account history. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, and just to let you know, it's not even 7:30 in the morning right now, and I am done trading. I've taken all the trades around 6:30 it looks like, and I closed them all out around 45 minutes later. So for 45 minutes work, I am now done trading for the day. Love my super scalper, and remember, you have to have all the necessary tools how to trade. Later on I'll explain the 4 different things that you need to succeed at trading. And once you have the proper tools, well, then you have to learn how to operate the tools. What works great for one person, if you don't learn how to use these tools, well, you're going to become part of the 95% of the traders out there who actually fail. Now, 6 o'clock in the morning, I was in front of the computer right where this vertical line is, looking at all the different instruments, taking a look at my daily trade plan, making decisions. Once I figure out if I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow, and I teach exactly how to trade this way. Sometimes the daily trade plan, and believe me, at this point right here, the daily trade plan is going to be saying to sell, but I'm just trading the pullbacks. I teach that within the training videos, how to trade pullbacks. If you look right below this video, you'll see everything that I teach, and you'll have to learn all these things if you want to become a successful trader. Now here's the daily trade plan expert advisor running in real time. Lot of sells in here, couple of buys. Some of them I went against it, what it's saying. As I mentioned, I just traded the pullbacks. So this EA works great if the market is trending. Does not work as great when it's in a range bound. And on a 15-minute time frame, you're going to find it every day trending, and you will also find when it's just range bound. That's just the way trading goes. And as you can see, it just turned 7:30. A couple of changes in here. So it is preset for day trading. You can easily change it if you are a swing trader or if you are a position trader. If you have any questions on this daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. First one was the Euro Aussie. Now on this Euro Aussie, it was It's taking its time to move, and once I hit my 200 pips or ticks, I just close out the trades, and whatever it is, I just close it out, whether it's a winner or a loser. So on this trade, I wanted to be doing the pullback as I mentioned earlier. Let's see where I got in at. Now, it was a winner, but I wasn't quick enough to close it out around the goal line. But anyhow, I'm not going to worry about it too much. I was at one point up 15, but I'm taking a very small loss of, let's say, 1 pip. And that 1 pip is a negative $6. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the euro dollar. This one pays $10 for each pip because of the USD is on the right hand side. Let's drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Now, of course, you could be buying, hoping to go back to the goal line. So I took the trade here, sold it, like I said. Well, pays $10, so 1 pip times the $10 is showing $10 here. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound yen. This one I wanted to be selling it. And you know, it's a waiting game. It can easily go down some more, or it can do the pullback. Just waiting to see at the moment if you're going to get a blue arrow. So let's see. Let's drag and drop this up. Sold it here. Turned into a winner. Not a big winner, as I mentioned earlier. Forex doesn't move quite as much. Looks like 13 pips, and that paid out $89. Okay, let's move on to the futures, the indexes that move a lot more and pay a lot more. This one, from here down to there, is the pullback, and of course once it breaks through, is changing trend direction. I had the super signal arrow here. I had the super scalper saying to sell. A lot of things here telling me to sell. So I sold it. Got in at this cursor after I got the alert. So what I did was, since it pays $5, I took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 57. 57, and there it is right there, 57 ticks. And that paid out $285. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 39, so let's run a check on it. Here we go. Scalper said to sell. Super signals from back here said to sell. And of course, my daily trade plan said to sell, so I sold it. And locking in, it should be 39. There it is right there, 39 ticks, and that paid out $390. Remember, trading is very, very difficult. Will take you a certain amount of time to learn. And not only do I teach how to trade this way in my training videos, but also when I do one-on-one Skype, I continue to give you more tips and trading tips. And basically, when you buy from me, I do give that ongoing support. So let's move on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Here it is here. Same situation. Scalper said to sell. Daily trade plan said to sell. Their super signal said to sell. Well, and everything down at the bottom is red. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade. And believe me, it took me 8 years to learn how to trade. So for you new traders out there, don't think you're going to pay a couple of $100 and you're going to be a master at this. Some traders will actually tell you that trading the markets is more difficult than becoming a doctor or lawyer. But it will not cost you as much money. As long as you don't give the broker your money. The only thing you should be spending money on is education. It's very important. You don't have enough education, you're going to fail. So let's see, S&P, $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 122. So let's check that out. There it is right there, 122. You remove the last digit, and that paid out $612. Moving on to the last trade, the NASDAQ. Love trading the NASDAQ as it pays $20 for each tick. It moves a lot, pays a lot. So let's see where I got in at. Looks like on this particular day, almost all the trades, they were trading the pullbacks. I teach exactly how to do this in the video called How to Trade Pullbacks. So here we go. Super signal arrow. Super scalper said to sell. That's exactly what I did. I sold it and took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says it should be 67. There it is right there. You remove the last two digits. So those 67 ticks paid out $1,338. So another great day of trading using my Super Scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. Grand total came to 298, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,718. So if your system's not producing like my Super Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. As a matter of fact, I recommend you getting your hands on all 4 packages. Now, to get some more information, or if you want to buy, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll get my contact information. So like I said, right below the video, so let's say this is the video, all you got to do is look right below it. You'll see this banner. It says more right here. All you got to do is click on it. Opens up another window, and then all you got to do is scroll down. Now I really do prefer Skype, so no matter where you live in the world, we can talk live. I can do screen sharing, and I can answer your questions. Made it easy for you, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, you do have Skype. All you got to do is click on this link and we'll have a connection. As I mentioned earlier, there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading, and you're going to need plenty of it. In other words, a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Keep in mind, instead of giving the broker your money, you should be trading in a demo account until you learn how to trade, and the money that you would be given to the broker, you should be buying education with it, as you will need a lot of it. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, when you buy from me, I do give support, and I'm sure you'll have more questions as you are learning how to trade. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So now as you scroll down, you'll see 4 packages. I do charge $250 for each package, and I do have 2 special offers. I'll tell you what they are right now. If you buy 2 packages, any 2, I'll give you 1 for free. Remember, no matter what you buy off of me, I'll also include a free Skype session. Now, keep in mind that the Super Scalper does not automatically include the Super Signal Indicator. So, keep that in mind. Now, if you buy package 1, 2, or 3 for $50 more, so that'll be a total of $300, I'll give you the Super Signal Indicator, like this Easy Trader System package right here. And for you traders who are really serious about learning how to trade and you want to get more education, just get in contact with me, as I have two more packages that I can show you on Skype. So, scrolling down, training videos are in package number 1 and 2, lots of them, up to 30 minutes long each. In package 3 and 4, they have only 4 training videos focusing on the expert advisor or the indicator, along with showing you how to use it. So as you scroll down, you'll see each package, all the different things. Remember, I mentioned how to trade pullbacks. That's what I was doing today. So plenty of education in the Super Scalper system, along with the How I Trade Live. There's a lot more advanced trading tips. Scrolling down, there's the daily trade plan, and of course the Easy Trader system. So if you have any questions, or if you want to buy, quite simple. Pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Now, of course, you can also send me an email. Here's my email address. I want to repeat it. One thing again. It takes me many hours to put these packages together, and I definitely don't want to work for free. So once you buy it, you have it, you own it, and there's no way I can take it back. So please note that there are no refunds. So make sure you really want to buy these packages. So just about time to wrap up this video, and of course if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.